Hey guys, Tony here with Nothing But Car Reviews, and today I have another, well, this is actually a double product review, but they're both from my friends over at Autoone. They sent me some LED headlights, LED headlight bulbs, excuse me, and then they also sent me some reverse LED bulbs as well, some reverse light bulbs. So let me go ahead and just show you the package that it came in. And I was gonna do a installation video, but I've had so much trouble with this, as I'm not surprised that I did, but as you can see, there's stuff all over the driveway here, and I have parts all over here. But look at those. Those are the LED reverse lights. Those are freaking awesome. Like, I freaking love those. And this is a comparison to how the reverse lights are stock. And just a huge upgrade. I'm definitely gonna get some more parts there, but I wanted to show you all the actual bulbs themselves. Just super nice quality here. I mean, very sturdy. What's crazy is these headlamps here. So, I mean, just super nice material. Everything seems really high dollar and certainly looks great too. Now here I have the LED reverse light bulb on the back, and then I have the stock reverse bulb there. But I pretty much swapped out most of my bulbs anyway, except for the reverse lights. So where my headlights are so faded, those are the LEDs that I had before, and then these are the Autoones. But what you can't really see in the video is this one just puts out light like crazy. These Autoones are freaking awesome. I got these on eBay for probably about 20-30 bucks, and these are good. I mean, they were definitely getting the job done, but I really need to replace the headlight housing, and as you can see, I tried to clean them the best I could for the video. They were much worse, but really can't get the full effect of how great these are. But I'm definitely gonna test it out at night. I'm gonna leave it like this so I can see exactly how much better these are, as I'm sure they are. But easy install, it's plug and play, and where the light bulb itself is so sturdy, it was a lot easier to get into place as opposed to those that I had over there. So again, the headlights are super high quality. The reverse lights are super bright, high quality as well. But like I said, I just love that there, as opposed to that off-white or almost yellow reverse light bulb that you get. So I'm definitely gonna get some more products from them. Hopefully I'll be able to get some for the Volvo XC90 and compare those to the stock light bulbs as well. But just look at that. And for 18 bucks, you cannot beat that, because that's two bulbs for that price. And again, that's what you get with that. Now these here are a bit more expensive, but again, especially if you don't have LED light bulbs, they make a huge difference. And then these I have in the Tundra 9003s, H4, HB2s. And there are the specifications for that as well. But again, I want to thank Autoone for sponsoring this video and giving me these awesome products. And this will bring me to the end of my review of Autoone's reversed tail lights as well as the LED headlamps.